Welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're going to be servicing this Golf GT Sport that I picked up. Just looked inside the reservoir and it's below minimum, so we're going to top this up first, and then I've lifted it up on the ramp and we're going to drain the oil out as well, so that'll be our first jobs. Okay, so the oil drain is situated here, so you don't have to remove any of this, which is good. So we're just going to undo that one there. Got a 19 here, but I expect it's a 17. Oh no, it is a 19, so I've got to get the socket on there and undo that quickly. So I've undone that, so it was a 19. So just unscrew it. And your oil should come out, hopefully. It won't make a mess. It's probably the first time ever. Just put that there for now. So while that's draining, we can undo the oil filter at the top of the car. So yeah, that's where the oil filter sits, so you just need to get a bolt to go over that, and then that should undo, so we'll do that next. Okay, to undo that, it's a 32mm socket. You just unscrew that. You can always put a cloth over your alternator, stop it getting all soaked in oil, but hopefully it should just lift out quite easily. Once you've got it past that, it should just lift out, hopefully. Jiggle it about a bit so it doesn't all sop everywhere, but there you go. That's the old one. So what I've done is I bought some Bosch parts. This was about £6 on Euro parts with the discount, and that was about 14 with the discount, so it's quite good. Oil, 5 40 I'm putting this. Shell Ultra, so that's what they recommend from there. So all you got to do is put your registration in and that'll tell you what you need, so that's Euro parts. So now we're going to change this one out, put this new filter in, and then put that back into place on there. Buy a new rubber seal, as you just take your old one off, put your new one in, just goes into that slot there. Okay, so you just tighten that up, but just don't do it too tight, just do it where it just starts grabbing. That's where you need to do it to, and then that'll be fine. Okay, so just put that on there again, tighten it up, you'll see what I mean. It's just starting to grasp now. There you go. So that's enough, you don't need to overdo it, because then it's a nightmare to get off later on. But that'll seal it anyway. So the next job is to put our bolt back in at the bottom, because that should have drained. It's still draining a tiny bit. Just wipe this up. Okay, just going to wipe our old bolt down. Seal should be fine on there. Just wait a couple of more minutes for that to all drain out, and then we can put it all back together by just screwing that in. Okay, so I've done my bolt up underneath, so now we're just going to undo these screws here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we can take that off to put our filter in. It's another Bosch. So that's undone, so we're just going to undo this now. Take this out. Not too bad, but it's always better to replace them. Okay, so that's all in now, so we're just going to close that back up and re-drill them, screw them up. Okay, so that's all done up now, so now we just got to undo this and fill up our oil again. So I'm just going to get the Shell Ultra. We use Mobile Super 3000 5-watt 40 for this car, so we're just going to start topping it up, and then once we're happy we'll lay it down again on the flat and recheck. Okay, so I've topped it up with oil, checked it was level, so the next job we're going to do is just clean this engine bay up. So I'm going to put some of the oil degreaser on there and then spray it down. Okay, so once you've done your service, you'll want to reset your service light. So when you turn the key on, what you need to do is hold this double button here, 00, hold it down. Once you put the key in, turn it, and then hold it down for about 10 seconds, and then press the minute button once, let go, turn the ignition off, and that will reset your service schedule as well. It's all reset now, so no longer need to worry about that. I'll just show you it's all working correctly. And there you go, service light no longer shows, which is great. So thanks for watching, and come back for more reviews and servicing on cars. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.